Hey everyone, consider all joy with Stephanie, and in today's video I'm so excited to share how to make your own all-purpose disinfecting wipes just from products that you can find around your home. Come on, let's get to it. What you will need is 1 teaspoon of Dawn dish soap. Now you can use whatever liquid soap you have in your home at the moment, but Dawn dish soap is really good because it cuts grime and grease very successfully. The next thing you want to grab is some rubbing alcohol. The CDC actually recommends a concentration of 70%. In most cases, rubbing alcohol is at 91%, which you can still use, it just won't be as concentrated. According to the CDC's website, rubbing alcohol is an effective disinfectant for many pathogens.
You want to grab a kitchen paper towel roll and you want to use some type of sharp knife and slice the roll down the center, and these will serve as your wipes.
If you don't have bleach in your home and you're wanting to test this recipe out, the next alternative to chlorine bleach is hydrogen peroxide. On the CDC's website, they recommend using hydrogen peroxide because it is a stable and effective disinfectant towards viruses when used on hard, non-porous surfaces.
You're going to need 1 tablespoon of liquid dish soap, 1 cup of 70 to 91% rubbing alcohol, and 1/4 cup of hydrogen peroxide. Make sure when you're mixing these ingredients together that you are in a well-ventilated area. You can have the windows open or a door cracked open. These substances are safe to use together and to use in your home. However, they do have a strong smell, so I do recommend doing this in a ventilated area. Once your mixture is done, you want to grab half of the paper towel roll that was cut up and submerge that into a glass container. You can use a plastic container or an EPA approved plastic container. However, I strongly suggest using glass storage because there can be a slight chance of some type of chemical reaction with other plastics.
Every day I'm looking for a way to return to the town.
To really disinfect a surface, a quick swipe will not suffice. To decontaminate a surface, you have to scrub it, really scrub it until the whole entire surface is wet, and then let it air dry, and you can go back on areas that food may touch that surface with some warm water. Make sure to disinfect areas and things around your home that are touched on a daily basis.
While I was doing my research, I came across a lot of blogs that had different recipes and a lot of YouTube videos that had other recipes to make a disinfecting spray or wipes. And I wanted to bring you the proper combination that would be considered as a disinfectant for your home. White vinegar is often used in many of these recipes that are claiming to be disinfectant. However, white vinegar is not a disinfectant. Shocker, isn't it? It helps with cleaning because it has several cleaning properties that help fight against any antimicrobial properties, but it is not a disinfectant because white vinegar only helps combat bacteria and not viruses, especially not the coronavirus. Clorox recommended recipe is similar to the one the CDC has on their website, and that is 4 teaspoons of chlorine bleach to 1 quart of water. While the CDC recommends rubbing alcohol and hydrogen peroxide because of their disinfectant properties, this does not mean that they will 99.9% disinfect your home. This is just an alternative because of stores running a little bit low on Lysol wipes, Clorox wipes, bleach, and all other cleaning products that disinfect. those products can claim that they 99.9% disinfect because they have other chemicals in them that actually get the job done. This just serves as an alternative if you have no other choice but to make your own products to help somewhat. In the meantime, you get those products available to you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below so you can be part of the Considered Odd Joy family. And I hope to see you again in the next one. Bye-bye. Stay safe.